Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, last month, around about the middle of January, I let you know that Microsoft Paint now was starting to feature an ad on Windows 11 with the new image creator and generator. And I'll leave that video linked down below and in the end screen, because Image Creator is an AI-powered feature, but you need to be signed up with a Microsoft 365 subscription. Now, my reason for mentioning that Image Creator in the Paint app is because with the latest Dev and Beta channel build update that rolled out to the insiders late last week in my part of the world, Microsoft is also rolling out an update for Paint, which is sitting on version 11.2412.271.0 to Windows insiders in the Canary and Dev Channels. And in this Paint update, Microsoft has said that it's introducing the Copilot menu, as we can see, to Paint. So it's changed now from a sidebar to a drop-down fly-out menu, where you can access all the features which help you complete your image generation and editing tasks faster. So if you click on the Copilot icon, which by the way replaces the current image generator and co-creator icon, as you can see, it's now got the Copilot icon there. So clicking on the Copilot icon from the toolbar will expand into a drop-down menu where you can access the features, co-creator, image creator, generative erase, and remove background. But just take note though that this update to co-creator is only available on Copilot Plus PCs, because Microsoft is taking a lot of these so-called advanced AI features and just popping them exclusively into Copilot Plus PCs, which I think once again is another marketing tactic. And they say that within the drop-down, each feature will also include a short description, as we can see, to help you choose the right tool. So just putting it out there. Maybe you've got a Copilot Plus PC and you are using this feature currently in the stable version. So that could be rolling out shortly to the stable version if you have a Copilot Plus PC, which is the Copilot menu that Microsoft has now added to the Paint app. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.